Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City, right on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. Gonna be heading just a little bit off the boardwalk to visit the Claridge Hotel. The Claridge is different from most Atlantic City resorts because it didn't grow out of a modest boarding house. It was the idea of a Philadelphia architect named John McShane, who designed the 24-story, 400-room hotel that opened in 1930 during the Great Depression. The Claridge became the last of the great hotels built in Atlantic City near the boardwalk. No new resorts rose in the city until the 1960s when a Howard Johnson's hotel was built along the boardwalk, and that now is actually part of Caesars. As we approach the building, we're walking through Brighton Park, which has a beautiful fountain during the season, but right now it's turned off. Due to the Claridge's tall, slick, slender appearance, it gained the nickname the Skyscraper by the Sea. Enough chit-chat. Let's go inside and check this place out, shall we? Those of you familiar with the New York channel know that the Claridge is my Super Bowl go-to hotel, mainly because, number one, it's inexpensive, number two, I can't get comps anywhere in this town during the Super Bowl, and number three, I just like the place. It's very historic, beautiful inside. It is old, the rooms are tiny, the bathrooms are tinier. If you'd like to see a room tour, that video is available here on the New York channel. I just uploaded one about a week or two ago. But I really like this place, and again, you can't beat the price, especially during special events here in town. This place is so historic and beautifully furnished, and no matter where you turn, it's a great place for a unique selfie. Not one by an electric guitar or on the boardwalk or at the beach. This is really a great place for unique selfies. Now, if you're looking for a great place to dine, perhaps the Claridge isn't your best choice. It's a great place to stay, but if you want to eat, probably one of the other hotels and casinos or a place off the boardwalk might suit you better. But there is a great lounge here. It's called The View, and it's on the roof, offering great views of Atlantic City, the boardwalk, and of course the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This area here used to be a 2-level casino. It's now a gallery or a reception area for weddings. The Claridge does a brisk wedding business. And now most of this area has been approved for a dispensary, a marijuana dispensary, 2 levels, one the bottom level for sales and the top level as a lounge, and that should be coming within the year. Just stand back and take in all this beautiful marble and those chandeliers, some of the most beautiful chandeliers I've ever seen. And I believe most of them are original. This place is really beautiful. I just took the elevator up to this level. It's the conference center level. If you have any business to do and you'd like to visit Atlantic City, the Claridge might be a great place. It's inexpensive, like I said, and it's actually directly connected to Ballys, which is directly connected to Caesars. They're all pretty much connected in one way or another around here, and I'll show you the hallway that leads you to Ballys in a moment. And not only is this building historic and beautiful, but it's got a lot of beautiful historic art as well, and all the elevator doors depict scenes from Atlantic City years ago, not just on this floor, but every floor, including the hotel rooms. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. We're heading towards the hallway that leads to Ballys, but before we get there, there's an arcade here at the Claridge. You can easily access it, of course, from the Claridge Hotel, or Ballys, or even Caesars. If you're into arcade games, this is a place to come and check them out. Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New York channel, check out the new Facebook New York fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. And as we leave the arcade, we continue down this hallway, which will eventually lead us to Ballys Hotel and Casino. There's some pizza and a sub shop there as well. And as we continue, we also get a beautiful view of Brighton Park, which is where we started this video, from the turrets here at Claridge. We're pretty much at Ballys now, and they've replaced most of the carpet. However, this area still has that old, what I used to call the Etch-a-Sketch carpet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.